10 smart money habits to start immediately after you get paid. Getting paid. It's one of the best feelings in the world. That moment when the deposit hits your account feels like freedom. But let's be honest. How many times have you gotten paid only to wonder where all the money went just a week or two later? If you've ever found yourself living paycheck to paycheck or scrambling at the end of the month, you're not alone. But you can change that. Join me as I challenge myself and you to implement 10 smart money habits the moment your paycheck hits. These are habits that can truly change the game for your financial future. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to sharpen your financial skills, this journey is for you. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck arrives, set aside a portion for savings and your emergency fund before doing anything else. Your savings are just as important as rent or food. Automate a transfer to a savings account right after payday. Out of sight, out of mind, and your savings grow quietly in the background. Automate your savings. Set up standing orders or scheduled transfers, even if it's just £20 or £200. This removes the temptation to spend what you intended to save. Over time, that small effort builds serious momentum. Prioritize needs over wants. When you get paid, it's natural to want to treat yourself. But ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it right now? This habit doesn't mean never having fun. It means making decisions that match your long-term goals. Choosing priorities puts you in control. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Break your after-tax income down like this. 50% to essentials, rent or mortgage, groceries, transport. 30% to wants, eating out, streaming, leisure. 20% to savings and debt repayment. This rule helps you find balance, spend wisely, and still enjoy life. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse spending is a budget killer. You pop into a shop for toothpaste and leave £40 lighter. Try the 24-hour rule. If something isn't essential, wait a day before buying. More often than not, the urge passes, and you keep your money for something that truly matters. Create a realistic budget. Not a rigid spreadsheet, but a real plan that works for your life. Start with your income, subtract fixed costs, and allocate what's left. Tools like budgeting apps, bank trackers, or even a notebook can work. Just make sure your budget is honest, flexible, and built to last. Track your spending. Track every pound you spend. Weekly check-ins can uncover hidden leaks, subscriptions you forgot, unnecessary fees, or habits draining your wallet. Once you see the patterns, you can change them. Use the envelope system. Label envelopes, physical or digital, for categories like food, petrol, or entertainment. Set a limit for each. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. This technique builds discipline and keeps your budget real. Maximize employer retirement contributions. If your employer offers to match your pension contributions, take full advantage. Even a small match adds up. Contributing 5% and getting an extra 5% from your employer is like getting a raise. And with time, that money compounds into serious retirement savings. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. A nicer flat, a new car, more takeaways. But if your expenses rise with your income, you won't build wealth. Let your savings grow instead. Keep your expenses stable. That's how financial freedom is built. Let's recap the 10 smart money habits to start the moment you get paid. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings. Prioritize needs over wants. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Avoid impulse purchases. Create a realistic budget. Track your spending. Use the envelope system. Maximize employer-matched pension contributions. Avoid lifestyle inflation. These habits are simple but powerful. They're not about restriction. They're about choice, control, and peace of mind. Start today. Pick one habit. Implement it with your next paycheck, then build from there. Month by month, your finances will transform. Which habit are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you save smarter, spend wisely, and take full control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and here's to your best money month yet.